Once my students are ready for phase 3 of goal 1, or actually any goal, I'll be able to start using the game times as opportunities to work on assessment. Of course, the first day or two of teaching students the games, I'll have to make sure that I spend time supporting anyone who still has questions. But after that, I'll be able to walk around the room. I'll be able to use a clipboard with a class list and a quick coding scheme for the things that I want to look for. I'll be able to stand by a couple of students who are playing a game for maybe a minute or a little bit more. I'll be able to observe things like, are the students counting in order to figure out the problems, or do they just seem to know them? If I'm not really sure, I can interrupt quickly and ask a student, how did you just get that? And they quite often will just tell you straight up what they were doing in their head. If they're not really sure how to explain it, you can provide a couple of options, like, did you just know it? Or did you count? Or did you have some other special way to figure it out? And usually with those three options, students are then able to share what happened. If they said, I just did it in my brain, then a quick way to work on that is to ask them, what did it sound like in your brain? And they'll often tell you something like, well, it sounded like 3, 4, 5. As you watch the next few students play the various Goal 1 games, take a look and see what you would record in terms of trying to decide if they were fluent in Goal 1 addition and were then ready for you to start thinking about moving into Goal 1 subtraction. Most teachers who've implemented FactsWise tell me that they try and wait until about 75 to 80% of the students are fluent with addition before they will move the entire class into subtraction. And the students always seem to enjoy playing the games, whether they're fluent or not. And you'll have a chance, after you've done some assessment, to start doing some interventions with students who still need support building their fluency in Goal 1 addition. The two girls in the foreground of the video clip you're going to see in just a second are playing Go to the Dump for Goal 1. And this is a game I first learned from Joan Cotter, and it turns out that this is the hands down favorite of every classroom I've ever talked to about their favorite games. So the girls are playing this game, and you'll be able to just see what you can learn about their fluency in Goal 1 addition in the next 30 seconds or so. Enjoy.
It's your turn. Okay, bye. The one who becomes hero. That's fine. I just put 0.
Did you notice that both girls were able to look at their cards quickly and with accuracy find ways to make 5? I would consider both of these girls to be fluent, at least in the time frame that I'd been able to observe them. If you got a chance to peek at the two girls in the background of this clip, you may have noticed that there's quite a bit more finger counting going on, which would indicate that at least one or maybe both of the girls wouldn't be considered fluent yet, even if they were able to get the answers accurately within 3 seconds or so.